Hello. In this video, I will show you how to import a polygonal foundation from a DXF file. Before we begin, let's see how the DXF file should be prepared. First, I open the drawing I prepared in my CAD software. The foundation must be drawn as a polyline on a layer named foundation. A terrain contour surrounding the foundation must also be created. This contour must be drawn as a 3D polyline on a layer named contour. All drawings in the DXF file must use meters as the unit system. Now let's return to SETAF2018. From the Define menu, I click the Terrain button. In the dialog box, I click the Import button and select the DXF file. The program automatically imports the foundation geometry. Now let's open the Foundation Properties window. As you can see, the polygon coordinates have been imported successfully. Now let's import the terrain contour from the DXF file. Once again, I click the Terrain button from the Define menu. This time, I select the User-Defined option. Then I click the Create Terrain button. The program creates the terrain surface from the DXF contour. The foundation geometry and the terrain surface have now been imported successfully. Thank you for listening.